Mary likes to eat ice cream since that is her favorite treat. Ever since she was young, her mom, Patricia, would buy her ice cream. Then an unusual situation took place. Beginning in her teenage years, she observes that she can no longer enjoy eating her favorite treat. Whenever she eats it, she experiences bloating, gurgling in her stomach, gasiness, and even diarrhea. This also happens when she drinks milk and sometimes when she eats cheese. The girl has developed lactose intolerance, which is a condition that is usually manifested during teen and adult years. Having this condition means that she cannot digest the lactose in milk and dairy products because her small intestines do not produce enough of the enzyme lactase to digest the lactose. When lactose is not broken down and absorbed in the small intestine, it moves onto the large intestine. There, the bacteria feast on the sugar and produce lots of gas which leads to the bloated feeling and gasiness. The undigested sugar also causes water to rush in which can cause diarrhea.
Aaron is a bookworm who never ceases reading until he finishes his book within a day. And because of that, he had the habit of reading even at night when there is weak lighting. He began feeling certain difficulties with his vision, and after consulting his doctor about it, he started to wonder and look back to his family lineage to find answers to his intuition.
A gene is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity. Since genes are passed from parent to child, any changes in the DNA within a gene are also passed. A sex-linked inheritance, specifically a Y-linked genetic disorder, is the one the son acquired. Retinitis pigmentosa, a familial inherited disease of the eye, was passed to him by his father because it's a known fact that males have a Y chromosome and only males can be affected by and pass on a Y-linked disorder. All sons of man with a Y-linked disorder will inherit the condition from their father. Moreover, the father's blindness is due to retinitis pigmentosa because the said disorder progresses to blindness. Later in life, the son will also suffer the same fate as his father. And considering the fact that as of today, there is still no specific cure for retinitis pigmentosa.
Caye and Jaztine went inside the room. Suppose that the room is really cold due to the very low temperature setting of the air condition. When the chill of the atmosphere touched their skin, it sent shiver down their spine. That explains that our body wants to maintain its body temperature around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Your body makes adjustments automatically. Goosebumps form, which actually are the hair follicles on your body, tightening to make your body hair stand up higher to help insulate your body. If that doesn't help to maintain the normal temperature, you start to shiver.
The nervous system is composed of a large collection of neurons that is responsible for sending signals between the body and the brain, and it depends on the neurons embedded in your skin to sense the outside world. It processes input from the senses, including touch, and initiates action based from those inputs. For example, when you stub your toe, nerve cells in the foot send signals up the leg, through the spinal cord and up into the brain. The nerve cell connections in the brain sense these signals as pain.
Dale is a businessman who works hard every day. During his daily commute to his workplace and back home, he travels through dirty and often dusty roads that irritate his eyes. He has no choice but to rub his eyes. A few weeks ago, he noticed that his vision is getting blurry. When he suddenly became blind in one eye, he went to an ophthalmologist, and from there, he was informed that he has a corneal injury and he needed a corneal transplant to bring back his clear vision.
The school has a tradition to have a fun run whenever there is an opening of a celebration. A group of friends thought to join the event not just for fun but also for the benefit of their health as well. They decided to participate in a fun run to exercise and enhance the expansion of their breathing. While jogging, the body works to supply muscles with oxygen. In the presence of oxygen, glucose is completely broken down into carbon dioxide and water. Fatty acids in muscle and other parts of the body are also used by aerobic respiration to produce ATP.